I'm so excited to share with you guys one of my favorite dishes, Enchiladas Suizas Verdes. They're creamy, cheesy, so delicious. If you want to see how I make them, keep watching. Cheers! I set my pot at medium heat with 7 cups of water. I'm going to be adding 2 pounds of chicken thighs. And we also add half a small white onion, salt and pepper to taste, and this blended mixture, which is basically 1 cup of water and 4 garlic cloves. This is just so that your chicken's taste is not that strong, but if you don't mind it, you can just skip this step. Stir, cover it up, and cook for about an hour. While the chicken cooks, we're gonna start roasting our veggies. I'm using 3 chile poblanos, 7 tomatillos, and 1 garlic clove. As you can see, everything's ready and I'm gonna take them out. Now I'm gonna peel the peppers and remove the seeds. It's been an hour, our chicken is ready. I'm gonna remove it and let it cool off before we can start shredding it. And we're also gonna reserve half a cup of the chicken broth. Now we can make the salsa. To the blender cup, I'm gonna add the roasted veggies, the 7 tomatillos, the garlic clove, the 3 poblano peppers. I'm also gonna add a quarter of a small white onion, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, the half a cup of chicken broth we reserved, 1 cup of table cream, salt to taste, and we blend. I'm gonna remove the skin and the bones and shred the chicken. I like to season with some salt, pepper, and also mix in some Muenster cheese. For the enchiladas, I like to fry my tortillas in some oil for a couple of seconds. It gives the enchiladas more flavor and also prevents the tortilla from breaking. And you keep doing the same for the rest of the tortillas. I'm gonna be making about 15. Now we can start rolling our enchiladas. We grab a tortilla, add some of the filling. You can add as much as you like. And we start rolling them up, just like that. And we continue doing the same for the rest of the tortillas. I personally like them with just cheese, but my husband and my kids love it with chicken as well. With this amount of chicken, I was able to make 16 enchiladas. I set my pan to the lowest setting, and we're gonna start off by adding a layer of salsa. We spread it evenly all around the pan, just like this. Once it's spread evenly, we can start adding our enchiladas. And I'm using a 10-inch pan, and you can arrange them however you'd like. Hopefully, I can fit my 16 enchiladas. Alright, so I was only able to fit 13, so I'll just cook the other ones separately. We add more salsa on top. We spread it, make sure all the enchiladas are covered. These are so delicious and they're fairly easy to make. Once they're all covered, I'm gonna add more shredded Muenster cheese. This part you add as much as you like. Cover it up and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and they're now ready. And look at this, guys. They look so cheesy. I can't wait to try them. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, guys, these are so delicious. They melt in your mouth. And you know what the best part is? That if you don't have an oven, these are made in a pan. So they're so easy to make, you need to try it. And also stay tuned because I'm gonna be making the red ones pretty soon. Those are amazing as well. And they're not spicy at all. They're super delicious. And there you have it, delicious Enchiladas Suizas Verdes. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!